welcome back to my channel. Do not mind these little frizzy pieces right here. I had my scrunchie in like a tad bit of water, a little bit of water, and I put it on my hair without realizing it, and now I have like these little frizzy parts. But we're gonna ignore that and get on with the video. So today I wanted to kind of talk about maintaining straight hair and avoiding heat damage and all of that bad stuff when you have straight hair. So I'm sorry y'all, this piece is just really bothering me right now. It's doing its big one. So yes, I have a couple of tips that I do want to share with you guys, how I maintain and how I keep my straight hair to stretch as long as it can. So let's go ahead and get into this video, guys. So to start off, I will say one thing that I do to stretch out all of my silk presses is making sure my hair is safe from all humidity, all water, at 100% all times, because obviously this piece right here has showed y'all what will happen if the tiniest amount of water gets on your hair or any type of moisture or humidity. If it's humid, if it's raining, put something over your head, but always make sure you do it 10 times more when your hair is straight. And that is what I make sure I do with mine. I want it to last as long as it can, but if I'm just chilling at home or I'm just relaxing, watching Netflix, I'm not sitting in the house with my hair just down like this. I always protect my hair at all times, making sure I'm protecting it from the outside, because the weather does play a very, very big part in your hair care routine. And especially with straight hair, I'm so cautious. So I hate when my hair gets frizzy. Like this piece, I keep touching it, I keep talking about it, but I'll be okay, but I'm having like a panic attack on the inside. So that's why I always make sure my hair is protected from everything. And let's go ahead and get into number 2. So the second thing that I normally do to my hair when it's time for bed, this one is probably gonna be like a really big shocker, but y'all have got to try it. I recently stopped wrapping my hair at night. I don't do it because my hair gets oily very quick, and I'm gonna tell y'all, when you wrap your hair in a circle, it's kind of like circulating the oils quicker. And that was just what I was taught to do, like wrap your hair. That's just the main thing, right? But when I started realizing, I was like, my silk presses are like really oily in like a couple of days. Like, I don't know what it is, but like my hair is just really oily. It feels weighed down, especially like right in here. So I stopped wrapping my hair. The way that I tie my hair up at nighttime is I'll just put it back and I'll put a bun, and I think I have a video right here showing you how to do that. I'll just put it back and put it in a low bun and a knot and just tie it back. And I like to do that because I'm not circulating oil around in my scalp and in my hair. Yes, the oils are not getting to the ends and the mid shaft of my hair as quick because I'm not wrapping it. Keeping it in that bun also gives it like more volume when I take it down, and it also has like a little bit of body too. And I like that. Like, I want my silk presses to have body. I don't like just the silky, greasy, flat, weighed down look. It starts to look like that on its own eventually. So that's why I want to enjoy the soft, the silky, the flowy hair before my natural oils attack it. Now, mind y'all, I had got my hair silk pressed on, when did I get my hair silk pressed? I think it was like Friday, April 10th. And today is Thursday. Wait, no. What's today? Today is Thursday, April 13th, I think. I have not checked the date at all. And this is how my hair looks today. I just stopped wrapping it. I don't know. I feel like that's way better. But like I always say, y'all, do what works best for you. And this is what works for me, and it's not a guarantee. So let's get into the next tip. I do not apply heat while my hair is straightened. That's just a personal preference. I do have the urge, the want to like curl my hair while it's straight, but I just really do not trust myself with a flat iron because I'm traumatized from when I was in high school, when I gave myself heat damage, and I probably need to let that go. I told myself like I want to do better, so I was like, no heat while my hair is silk pressed, because when I get it straightened, it's already enough heat as it is with the blow dryer, the flat iron. She goes in with the curling iron to give it like more body. So it's just 3 different forms of heat. It's already enough. So when I have my hair straight, that's like enough heat to last me for like a month. But I do want to try a wig or something. I want to learn how to do curls and all that kind of stuff. I just don't want to do it to my real hair, and I just kind of let it do its own thing. This is like the time where my hair gets to do whatever it wants to. All I do is tie it up at night and put a bonnet on and go to sleep. Having a silk press is so low maintenance. I love it so much. But I do not apply heat while my hair is straight. I feel like that's what helped me retain my length also, is not applying heat. But when it starts to get like frizzy around the edges, it's very, very tempting, I will say. But I kind of have the mindset like, do not apply heat, do not apply heat. So I've kind of trained myself to tell my hair, you know what, do whatever you want to do, but I'm not putting heat on you. So you gotta be in control of your hair. Don't let your hair be in control of you. But when it starts like getting frizzy and flaky, okay, it's time for a wash. Once it starts getting too oily and ugly and weighed down and greasy looking, I don't be applying heat to my hair, especially when it gets to that state, because I feel like it's just gonna fry it and cook it at this point. But when it's weighed down, then I'll probably try to do like a twist out or something. So the next tip is kind of hard, but keep your hands and everybody else's hands out your head. Nobody's hands should be in your hair, not even your own, because it's hard though. Because I find myself like touching my hair all the time, but when my hair is straight, I really try to avoid touching it at all costs, because like even right now, my hands feel kind of oily and they feel not hot, but like kind of sweaty. I don't know, maybe because I'm recording. Yeah, I don't try to touch my hair as much, and you shouldn't either, because everything that's on your hands is just getting in your clean, beautiful hair. I know everybody's mamas told them like, girl, when you go to school, don't be letting everybody play in your head. That is so true. Do not be letting all type of people touch your hair. Just don't be doing that. Don't do that. Keep your hands out your hair, especially when it's straightened. And that's one thing that I do to prolong my silk presses is low manipulation styles. I just take it down, and literally this is what I do. All right, I'm ready to go. I ain't even have to touch my hair. This is a clean comb, and yeah, we finna head out the door. So no hands in your hair. So let's talk in the shower. I feel like the shower is gonna be the death of my straight hair, if it isn't anything else, because my showers are extremely hot, and y'all know like the humidity and the moisture. You're literally like confined in the bathroom with everything that could kill your straight hair. So this is what I like to do, and I'm gonna put the video right here. So I'll take my hair, put it in the low bun, put a bonnet on, put a scarf on first, then put a bonnet on, and then I take a bath towel and I tie it around my head, and that's how I get in the shower every single time, because the towel will absorb all of the moisture and all of the humidity in the air before it even reaches anything up under the towel. So the towel is like a really, really good thick barrier that's gonna protect your hair. Like I'm 100% safe. Before I started like figuring out like, oh, I could put a towel over my head, the moisture would soak through the bonnet. It was soaked through the scarf. It was just like, it's like I didn't even have anything on my head, because I'm just getting in the shower and I'm thinking, oh, I'm gonna put a bonnet on, I'm gonna put a scarf on. I'm putting like 5 different layers of material over my head, and my hair still felt like it had got sprayed like with a spray bottle. So that's like the main thing. I made sure every single time when I take a shower or a bath or hot anything, my hair is up and out the way. Water is not your friend when your hair is straight. When our hair is curly, it's great, it's our best friend, but when our hair is straight, we enemies. So keep the water out the way. And also, just to, for FYI, when you guys get your hair straight, make sure you're going to somebody who knows what they're doing, who knows how to trim your hair, who knows how to flat iron properly without giving you heat damage. You gotta weigh your options out. Make sure like your stylist is using heat protectant and they're not leaving the flat iron on your hair too long. There's a lot of factors that go into maintaining and having a good silk press. So you guys just be mindful of that. Making sure your hair is clean. You have shampooed and clarified it with a really good cleanser. Those are like the key and the basic points that are gonna give you a silky silk press like you want. Sometimes if you're using too many products, you will have that weighed down, greasy, oily look. We don't want that. We want like the flowy, pretty, when you just walk in the wind, your hair is just like, ah. You know, we want that look. We don't want it to be weighed down. It's gonna get weighed down on its own anyway if you stretch it out, which is good. I love to stretch out my silk presses because, like I said, it's low maintenance. I love getting up in the morning and just walking out the door. All I have to do is comb my hair. But when it does get oily, it kind of gets in that odd state. You don't really know how to style it or how to wear it, and it kind of gets annoying though, I'm not gonna lie, because I'll be like, what am I gonna do with my hair? Like, I look like a wet puppy. And hopefully I can do a YouTube video over that, like what styles you can do. So you still want to like wear it, but you don't know how to style it. So hopefully I get to do one of those videos for you guys. So if you guys, like always, have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Drop all of the questions down below so that way I can answer them. So yep. If you got to get your ends trimmed, baby, get your ends trimmed, because we outside this summer. We're not going to have silk presses in the summertime, though. But we outside right now. So get your silk press. Go find you a really good stylist to go to so you can join the club and get your silk press, because, y'all, it's on and popping. We doing braids in the summertime, though. So I don't know who's going to be having a silk press in the summer. But we gonna get braids in the summertime. And I cannot wait to show y'all like some cute hairstyles for braids and like protective styles for your natural hair during the summer. So we got a lot to talk about. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.